Okay, so good day everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a case analysis that recently our group was researching. Okay, so before all of that, I would like to introduce myself and my group members' name. So my name is Mahalishmi Totrov Murali and I have three group members. So first is Sarvesh, second is Yuval, and third is Vinoshini. Okay, now the case study that we research of is this. This is the case study that we recently taking. Okay, let me introduce them. Okay, I'm going to talk about current issues and the impact of the Thailand airline in 2026 now currently happening. Okay, what was the problem was due to high operating costs and including fuel costs, the Thai airline decided to reduce 30 percentage of its flights, and at the same time, they also stopped at several routes for temporarily. Okay, because of this, the company becoming difficulty to manage the costs and resources. Okay, as a result, the company has uh, earned a low profit and uh, flight flight schedule becoming more difficulty, and the passenger also have a few flight choices. So how to overcome this problem? So how to overcome this problem? Okay, so airline need better decision technology like digital systems which can predict the passenger demand, create a better flight schedule, and reduce operating costs. At the same time, improve daily operations. So this help the airline to make a better decision and provide a better service and experience to the customer. So now that we have to discuss the problem and the need of digital improvements. So let's move on to the proposal solution that can help to Air Asia to solve those challenges and improve its overall performance. Next, I would like to pass to my friend.
So my name is Vinoshini, and next I will talk about the proposed solution. So, which is called the Smart Flight Optimizer AI powered flight cost and route optimization platform. So the main idea behind this innovation is to use artificial intelligence to help the airlines to improve their daily operation instead of relying only the traditional method. This AI based on the system analyze the real-time data to support the faster and the smarter decision making. This platform also focus on three important areas, which is the first one is to cost reduction. So the system help the airlines to identify the most efficient option for the fuel usage, flight scheduling, and operational planning, so which can reduce the unnecessary expenses. Second is route improvement. So by analyzing the factors such as weather condition, air traffic, and the flight pattern, the AI can suggest a better route to improve the efficiency and reduce the delays. Last, better flight planning. The platform provides the accurate insights that help the airlines to plan the flight more effectively and improve their overall performance. Overall, these solutions allow the airlines to operate smarter, reduce the cost, and provide a better experience for both of the company and passengers. So next I will talk about the core features. So operational inefficiency in aerospace isn't just expensive, it's unsustainable. Our platform addresses this by encouraging the airline's option into a four-pillar intelligent pillar. So the first one is we begin with the AI demand forecasting. So traditional scheduling relies on historical data, which fails during the marketing volatility. So our engine leverages predictive AI to align the capacity with the real-time passengers' demand. It's turning unpredictable schedule into a predictable profitability. So the second core features is about the route optimization. In aviation, every mile counts. By analyzing live meteorological and the airspace data, the platform chart the most efficient flight path. This doesn't just cut down the flight's minute. It also directly slash the unnecessary fuel burns and operational overhead. Third core features is about the smart scheduling. So we introduce this smart scheduling. So our aircraft only generates the revenue when it is airborne. These tools intelligently calculate the optimal flight frequencies and turn around with the windows. So drastically reducing the ground time and maximizing the fleet utilization. Finally, all of these back end with the intelligence is synthesized into our real time dashboard. Instead of sorting through the fragmented data silos, operations team get a single unified pane of glass. So this transforms raw operational data into immediate tactical decision. Ultimately, we aren't just presenting software features. We are delivering a cohesive ecosystem to build transition aviation from reactive the management to proactive the precision. So moving on to our next slide, let's look at how optimization drives value creation across the entire aviation ecosystem. When we implement this modern aerospace solution, the benefits creates a dual impact to the framework. So it's directly optimize the back-end operation for the airlines while simultaneously elevating the consumer journey on the front end. So for the value or for the airlines, first let's focus on the airline side of the equation where efficiency boils down the three critical operation pillar by streamlining the flight trajectories and optimization asset loading. We drastically cut down the fuel burn and overall operation cost. Furthermore, this framework also improve their resource management, ensuring the aircraft and flight crew are utilized to their highest potential with the minimal of the downtime. So finally, real-time data access supports faster by making the decision, allowing operations team to adapt to the sudden disruption and protect the bottom line. For the value for the customer, it's about the operational efficiency that does not happen in the vacuum. It translates directly into a premium experience for the customer. When the backhand technology ensure an airlines runs like a clockworks, passengers enjoy much of the reliable flight schedule with the punctual arrivals. A stabilized schedule also means passengers to face the favor of the unnecessary change such as sudden gate shift, unexpected delays, or a cancellations. Ultimately, this seamless flow removes stress from the journey and resulting in a better overall travel experience that naturally build the brand loyalty.
Hello everyone, my name is Yuvan Chandran. I am here to talk about a smart flight optimizer. The first one is a selection of appreciate IT tools. There is 4 points. The first point is a cloud platform. otherwise known as AWS and Azure. For example, provide a scalable storage for airlines operation. The second point is APS, otherwise known as weather and air traffic. It's, for example, feed a real-time external data for the faster decision making. The third one is a AI software track, and also known as a Python. Powers algorithms for the AI demand forecasting and route optimization. And the fourth one is data management, otherwise known as the Apache Kafka. Organize process massive set of the passenger data. Now we move to the next slide. The second one is a link to a digital business concept. The first one is a big data analytics, which means analyze the best of the data set to accurate predict passenger demand. And the second one is a cloud computing. It means ensure the management can securely access the real-time dashboard from anywhere. And also the last one is AI automation, which means replace the manual planning to improve secure management. Now we move on to the next slide. The third one is a technically workflow implementation. The step one is a data collection, the injections, the internal ticketing, and the external weather data. The step 2 is AI processing, which means calculate the efficient flight routes to minimize the unnecessary fuel usage. The third one is visualization. It means to push the operational data to a real-time dashboard. The last one is action. Airline staff use the insight to instantly adjust their schedule. That's all from me. I pass to my friend Sarvesh.
Hi, I'm Sarvesh. Now I'll explain the practically and business impact of our solution. For implementation, the airline should start with a pilot project on high traffic routes before expanding to all flights. This helps reduce risk and improve the system. The main potential risks are the high setup costs and data privacy, but this can be managed with proper planning and security. And for employee well-being, AI automates complex calculations, reducing workload and helping flight planners work more efficiently. And lastly, the organizational impact is lower fuel and operating costs while improving overall airline performance. Next are our strategic recommendation. First, provide digital training so employee can confidently use the AI dashboard. Second, build a tech partnership with experienced IT companies instead of creating everything from scratch. This saves both time and cost. And finally, we focus on the customer by using the AI system to provide more reliable flights, schedule and fewer delays, leading to higher customer satisfaction. Okay, so in conclusion, our AI powered flight cost and route optimization platform helps airlines become more efficient and data driven. It reduces costs, improves scheduling, and support better decision making. At the same time, passengers enjoys a smoother travel experience, while the airline benefits from higher efficiency and profitability. So that's all. Thank you.